Hi YouTube. Today I am going to play random. Well, no, I'm gonna. Actually, I don't know. I didn't set up this video. I'm just. Oh, wait. I'm on my main account. I should get off that. Time to go on the Discord app. Okay. Okay. Anyways, let's go down to. Wait, that's my. Wait, okay, let's go down here. Okay, so we're gonna play random Obby games now, I guess. Okay, I'm on my alt. I don't know why. I don't know why it's loud. No, Genya, obstacle. These all look pretty bad. Then I'll see if there's any obstacle games that aren't marked obstacle then. Because usually there's at least like what? Well, anywhere. It's okay. Is there one in? Is there any in? Oh yeah, I think there is. To be honest, I mean, oh, I need to think. Obby, patient parents, dice, chill. Obby, no. Obby is private? What? Wait, why is Obby private? I don't. What? I'm just confused. I am just confused. Wait, my watch has gone wrong. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, so I got a watch for Christmas today. I've just wasted so much of the video. I don't know what to play. I'll just search up Obby. How about that? Obby. Scroll all the way down, and what's here? What Obby is here? Nothing. That's nice. What about difficulty charts Obby? Oh, and ranked obstacle. Then we get the better ones, recently updated ones, I think. Oh, my one! Yay! Because I'm on my alt account right now. I don't think you can see. Yeah, you can see I'm on my alt account. Yeah, I'm on my alt, so it's always good. Yeah, I've played this one, I've played that, and I've played that, and I'll restart it then. I didn't play all of it on my main account, so yeah. My gosh, it's taking forever. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't think you can hear the computer audio. It's super loud. No, it's on the button. I don't think you can hear the computer audio, but it's loud. Let me think. Wait a minute, this is a new lobby. Last time I played was like a long time ago. And I didn't have all this. These is yeah, this is a wraparound, blah blah blah. What? I didn't know I was so bad at lobbies. Wow, this is, yeah, wow. This is a jump. Kill glitch. Oh, wow. What's this? Oh. Yeah. This is a trusting. I know. Stupid. Think I don't know? You think I don't know? Also, I was gonna say, like, the word. But I promise to keep my channel family friendly now, so. Gotta do what you promise to. That rhymes. Oh my gosh. Actually, let's do this. And then, yeah, type word. Wait, what? Try balancing. Wait, what? Just try balance on it. Try balance on it. Try to balance on it. Damn, I'm just gonna let them rage when I get up to the big bridge. Press the button here to get to that bridge. Oh, they just put a teleport. Is this stud jump, okay? What? Wait, where was that? Oh, wait, it's not a big rat, that's an easy one. So this amount of rats at cave. I never said that. Well, I thought that was like. What did I do wrong, please? Did wrong. What the hell? What the hell is this? The hell, man? What's the? I'm wondering because YouTubers like when they play Tower of Hell, they like cover the hell word and then edit it to say heck. It's like it's whole bad word. I'm not sure if it actually is a bad word. Like it doesn't seem like a bad. It doesn't seem like a bad word, but people always do it. Why is it like hell is like a bad word? I feel like I'm gonna get time. Then again, I don't make any money. If I did, I'd have gaming keyboard and everything made. Oh, and also I'm on my laptop in case I think my video recording's a bit laggy or something. Because it makes it lag. Because I can't download like stuff like directly onto my computer. This is just like it doesn't download directly onto my computer. Like downloads it. Oh my gosh! It downloads it like not directly. Downloads it like from the outside of my computer. Yeah, never mind about that. Wait, why am I suddenly getting trashed? I think it's because I'm on the ult. Oh my gosh, I thought I was here for. Why is this level taking me so long? That's my only question. At least I don't fall into the void because then I'm not Wait, this is the jump that always gets me. I don't make this. I'm going to. What? What? Oh. I was just like, oh wait, I turned. Whoa. No, I'm not listening. What? Oh. What? That's a bit. Wait, did I touch it? Oh yeah, you probably can't see my stage yet, actually. I don't know if you can see my stage, actually. I've never tested this. I should have tested it. Because if I have to delete this recording because it didn't record my voice. It says it's supposed to record my voice. Like, I tested it with the bars and before I started recording, because I'm not that dumb. Like, oh my god! Wait a minute, is that? crate. Wait, is that? No. I'm confused. What? Wait, what? Why do I keep getting on like invisible blocks that don't actually... Oh yes, wobbly. No, not really. That does not deserve to be on me. Many people complain, okay? What? Do this two head hitters cave books. Also means okay, in case y'all did not know. Dummy. That's how you get off. And that's how you get down. that's how you get off. That's how you get down. Wait a minute, I just realized this is now a video. Now I have to rename this video playing VA's difficulty chart Obby. Remorseless mode. Or just playing VA's difficulty chart Obby and okay, something. Also, you might notice I don't put the... Like, I used to, like... I actually keep doing Obby. So I don't waste time. Only 15 minutes available on this recorder. So it's better than my own recording. Well, it's better than Bandicam, the one that I always use. Because Bandicam has the thing at the top here that says Bandicam. Actually, I just thought about that. Like, oh no! Oh! But yeah, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, just name it VA's different channel partner. Oh yeah, you might have seen in my recent videos. You might have seen in my recent videos. I used to go like wait, let me move my thing over here. I'm not sure it's doing that. I used to go like, playing videos, difficulty chart, or something like that. And then do a dash, then blockade. I mean, Roblox blockade, or Roblox jailbreak, or Roblox blocks. I've never done blocks, but now I just do this. And then in the description, it will say like, today I play VA difficulty chart, Obby in blockade, like, and something like that. So yeah. Wait, isn't there gears? No, there are no gears. Because nobody wants to spend 100,000 blocks on a red hyperload again. No! Oh, and also I forgot to mention. Wait, no, I don't have much time left in the video. Let me finish this before the video ends. I have like less than a minute and 30 seconds. No, literally, I have it's 13 minutes and it just hit 13 minutes. 30 seconds in the video. Which means 1 minute. Now there's pretty much 1 minute left. We don't count the 10 seconds. Yes, this is a great way to run the video. Thank you guys. I just like the dance way because look, wait, what? Not slash is yeah. Because if I'm pressing dot, it's not working. There's no emotes in here. Because dot is the emote. So I can't do emotes. So this is my favourite dance. Because look, slashing dance 2 is horrible. Slashing dance 1 is the horrible. Slashing dance 1. What? Yeah, it gives me round 1. But I like this one. It's like I'm riding a horsey. But anyways, we got up to hard, and next video, which is going to be released very soon, is going to be difficult and maybe challenging. Oh yeah, the video is about to end. I gotta go. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Stop the intro. Yes, I love stop the intro. Bye.